students in Tanzania could train at the aviation institution like National Institute, NIT. Hello everyone. Hello, Fabi. The last step is gain experience. Pilots must fly many hours to gain experience before working for airlines. In short, to become a pilot, you must train, fly after flight school, pass exams and get a pilot license. Then now you have understand who are pilots, types of pilots, and how to become a pilot. Good evening, passengers. This is the final boarding of the Flight 68 from Dar es Salaam, landing at Gate 80. Dear passengers, please prepare for landing. The aircraft is ready for landing. The gate will be open shortly. Thank you for choosing Air Tanzania and flying with us today.
Baada ya hapo ninafuatia. Niwahakikishie uongozi wa Ebonite umeshaagiza ndege. Ndege ziko njiani. Air Ebonite. Kwa hiyo naona hatununui hatuajiri rubani. Au tuweka. Ndio watakaoendesha ndege hizo kufika hapa Tanzania. Air Ebonite. Na mkuu wa shule atakayesikitisha hiyo baadaye. Air Ebonite njiani.
Hebu twende shule. Tuko tayari. Naamka asubuhi mapema, naosha uso, napiga mswaki, begi langu